Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Messages on or in web. So as you can see, I'm on the platform of Google Messages, and it says on your computer you need one of these web browsers: Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc., and it is not available on Internet Explorer. So this is the only browser that you can't use Google Messages on. So to set up Google Messages for web, you need to hold your phone and open Google Messages, and then you need to look for the top right, tap your account menu, device pairing, etc. And I will show you all these steps that's from 1 into 8. Anyways, let's get through a new page or a new window on our browser, and then let's type Google messages.google.com, and then I want you to go into Messages for Web. Okay, after that it will be appear, or it will be visible to you, this code QR. You need to follow these steps to get through your Google Messages in or on your web. So in this step guys, I want you to go into your Google Messages on your phone, and then go on the top right corner on your screen on phone, and then tap on it. After that, I want you to look for device pairing, tap on it, and tap on QR code scanner, and here I want you to scan that QR code, and you will be forwarded to your Google Messages on the web on your PC. So let's continue. So guys, as you can see, we are using our Google Messages on the web. So it's actually similar to the other apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc., and it's so easy to be completed. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you again.